Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a Bloody Mary. Now this recipe entices you with its bold flavors and customizable ingredients, making this an ideal choice for brunch or even as a hangover cure. And I gotta tell you, it tastes great too. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. What makes my Bloody Marys pretty special is the garnish I use on this drink. You can always check out my recipe on how to make deviled eggs, but having a deviled egg on top of the Bloody Mary really sets this apart and elevates it to a next level drink. After you create your deviled egg, you want to, in a small plate, add in some celery salt, some paprika, as well as some kosher salt, and whisk those all together. We're also going to squeeze a lemon wedge onto the lip of a tall glass, and then we're going to take that glass and place the top of it into the mixed seasoning to coat it. And we're going to squeeze the rest of the juice of the lemon wedge into a drink shaker and drop in the wedge too. We're going to follow that up with adding in 2 ounces worth of vodka, 4 ounces of tomato or vegetable juice. I use tomato juice for my recipes. 2 teaspoons worth of hot horseradish sauce. 2 dashes of your favorite hot sauce. 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. A pinch of ground black pepper, a pinch of paprika, as well as a pinch of celery salt. You want to add ice to the shaker and then shake this all together until it's well mixed. You want to strain this cocktail into your prepared glass filled with ice. And for garnishment, I like adding a bunch to this drink. With the deviled egg we prepared before, I like adding on some olives, followed by some cornichons, all skewered through. And this is a great topper for any Bloody Mary drink. I like to add a celery stalk, a cooked piece of bacon. I tend to go with a thick cut piece of bacon as it's easy to work with in garnishing this drink. I also like adding a sprig of basil, a lime wheel, as well as a lemon wheel to the side of the drink. And for final touches, we're going to add on our deviled egg olive cornichon trio right on top. And with those final touches, this Bloody Mary is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made one of the best brunch drinks out there. Now, full transparency, I was never a real Bloody Mary fan, but I kept working on this recipe until even someone like me would love it. So I know you all will too. For a twist on this recipe, you can consider using a flavored vodka, such as a pepper infused or cucumber vodka, to add an extra layer of complexity and depth to this Bloody Mary. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine, so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this Bloody Mary, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too to see more recipes just like this one. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show how to make a really easy meal that's super filling and feeds an entire family, my swordfish steak recipe. You don't want to miss this one. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.